On the streets of New York, like many a bustling city, you'll find white earbuds everywhere. But if you're looking to set yourself apart with something unique and edgy with excellent sound and noise cancellation, you should check out these new earbuds from Marshall, the Motif 2 A.N.C. I've been a huge fan of Marshall headphones for many years now. I own and use plenty of their speakers. In fact, right before filming this video, me and my folks had lunch while listening to music on my Marshall Middleton. So I'm thrilled to be partnering with them in this video. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. So, if you love music and are feeling rebellious, give this channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right earbuds to match your needs. In this video, I'll give you 5 reasons why I love the Marshall Motif 2 A.N.C. But first, an unboxing. The Motif 2 A.N.C. comes in this black box. It's pretty straightforward. And first up, of course, the earbuds themselves in their charging case. Let's peel this off so that we can start pairing. I can't wait to use them.
A few minutes later.
Now that it's paired, let's add it to the Marshall app as well. Tap this plus icon here, and it automatically finds the Motif 2 A.N.C. On the app, there are customization options which we can dive into later, but first, let's see what else we get in the package. Quick start guide and safety information. In this cardboard, there's more. A USB-C to A charging cable, but it's not just a plain old cable. Notice the signature black diamond detail on it, as well as the Marshall logo on its side. Lastly, in this box, extra ear tips in small and large. The outer surface of the Motif 2, where the M logo is, on both the right and left side, are touch panels. Now here's an overview of controls. You tap once to play or pause your music, 2 taps to skip forward, 3 taps gives you the previous track, a long press cycles through ANC and transparency mode. If you receive a phone call, you tap twice to answer or end the call, or press and hold to reject the call. With the Marshall app, you also get the ability to customize what a press and hold does, and can even have separate functions for the left and the right earbud. For example, you can assign your left earbud to trigger your voice assistant. Okay, now on to those 5 reasons. First is something I love about Marshall speakers too, their signature design. With the look and feel of black leather and brass accents that are reminiscent of Marshall amps. It's edgy and retro at the same time, and it speaks of Marshall's rock and roll legacy. This same design is carried over to the Motif 2 A.N.C. earbuds. The charging case has got the same pebble leather look with the Marshall logo up front. The buds themselves also look like they're finished in leather. Gotta love that M logo, especially if your name is Michael. Complemented by a stem with their signature black diamond detailing, and underneath, a brass accent. But don't be fooled by their luxurious look. These buds are as rugged as my favorite Marshall speakers. Both the buds and the case are water resistant. The earbuds have an IPX5 rating, while the case is IPX4. On paper, IPX5 means sustained low-pressure sprays of water, while IPX4 means protection from splashes. Translated to real-world speak, you'll be fine if you're caught running in the rain, sweat is okay, as well as a light rinse under the sink. And if you're going to use these for workouts, that's probably a best practice. Now, it's time to do a sustainability check. Both the case and the buds of the Motif 2 A.N.C. are made from 70% post-consumer recycled plastic. So Marshall passes with flying colors. Of course, what use is good design if music from these earbuds don't sound good? Having used many of their products before, it comes as no surprise that music sounds great on the Motif 2 A.N.C. These buds have a really distinct sound signature thanks to both the 6mm dynamic drivers and Marshall's own EQ settings. By the way, the week that I'm filming this, Troye Sivan's full album, Something to Give Each Other, just dropped, and I've been listening to it on repeat. Audiophiles will love full control over the equalizer settings. From the Marshall app, you can select a custom preset, like treble boost or mid reduction, or just select custom and create your own to really pump up the bass. Speaking of the app, I love how customizable they make these earbuds. As a runner, I have transparency set to high so that whether I'm running or crossing the street, I'm aware of my surroundings at all times. Never run with A.N.C on. If you remember from our unboxing, the Motif 2 ships with 2 different sizes of ear tips. I'm a medium, so I'm just going to keep the default ones on. But you should definitely swap them to figure out what's best for you, because sometimes one ear can be small, one can be medium. During my time with them, I found the Motif 2 to be very comfortable. And I love that they stay on, even on my runs. Or occasionally, some pretty intense headbanging. I also use these when I'm working on my laptop. Speaking of, you can pair your Motif 2 with 2 devices at the same time. And what that means is, if I play a YouTube video on my Mac, I can hear it in my ears. And then if I pause that and then play a song on my iPhone, I can hear the music here as well. How seamless? Well, as you can see right now, it's connected to my Mac and my iPhone at the same time. With the update from Motif 1s to the Motif 2s comes a significant improvement to active noise cancellation. Good A.N.C is a feature that's very important to me. That way, if I'm trying to get work done on my patio, I can block off noises from nearby construction sites, as well as passing trains and planes. And speaking of planes, I recently took them on a flight from JFK to Dallas, and I was really lucky to have them with me, as I was able to drown out the sound of a crying baby nearby. While nothing can beat a pair of cans while trying to block off sound, earbuds like the Motif 2 are much more portable and is the reason why I prefer to travel with them. Another big improvement to the Motif 2 is better battery life. Marshall is promising 10 hours more of playtime versus its predecessor. That equates to about 6 hours of total playtime with A.N.C turned on, and 30 hours if you include extra top-ups from the case. Another cool thing that Marshall is doing is called battery preservation, with settings that are meant to optimize charging and keep your Motif 2's batteries in peak shape for longer. The max preservation setting will restrict charging to when your room's temperature is cool. It will only charge to 90%, so you don't max out your charging cycles with every charge. And it sets charging speeds to default. Of course, if you want fast charging, you can set preservation to none. Faster charging speeds generate more heat and eventually will take a toll on your battery, but it's always a good idea if you're in a time pinch. With fast charging on, a 15-minute charge will give you an extra hour of playback. By the way, there are 2 ways to charge your Motif 2 A.N.C: wired via a USB-C cable and wireless on any Qi charger. And those were all the reasons why I love the Marshall Motif 2 A.N.C. Actually, there's probably more, but 5 sounds sexy. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Okay, I'm going to listen to some music now. Until next time, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.